How to make the mask. Grate the carrot. Start by peeling and grating a carrot. You'll need about half of a medium-sized carrot. Carrots work wonders on pigmentation and give your skin a healthy, bright glow. Extract the juice. Once you've grated the carrot, squeeze out the juice using a muslin cloth or strainer. You'll need 3 to 4 tablespoons of carrot juice. This is the magic base for your mask. Add coffee. Now, take 1 teaspoon of coffee, preferably instant coffee with no big granules, and mix it well into the carrot juice. Coffee helps remove sun damage and brightens the skin. Add gelatin. Now, take 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder and mix it in. Gelatin helps tighten, tone, and nourish your skin. It's also perfect for anti-aging. Add rose water. To add that soothing touch, add 1 to 3 teaspoons of rose water, depending on how thick or runny you like your mask. Mix everything together. Stir everything well, making sure there are no lumps. The consistency should be smooth, not too thick, and not too runny. The cooking process. Boil some water. Heat up a small amount of water in a pan, just enough to create a double boiler effect. Once it starts boiling, place your mask bowl over the pan and continue stirring. This step helps activate the ingredients. Stir until you get a creamy texture. Keep stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes. Your mask will start to thicken and form bubbles on top, which is a sign that it's ready. Make sure the consistency isn't too thick or too runny, just right. Cool down. Once it's ready, take the bowl off the pan and let it cool to room temperature. Do not apply it while it's hot, that could irritate your skin. How to apply the mask. Use a brush. Once the mask has cooled, use a brush to apply it evenly on your face. Start applying from the bottom upwards. This helps avoid wrinkles. Also, be careful around your eyes and hairline. Special attention if you have peach fuzz or small facial hairs. This mask is great because it helps remove them. It's also perfect for those pesky blackheads and whiteheads on your nose. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Once applied, let it dry for about 30 minutes. You'll feel it tighten up as it dries. Peel it off slowly. After 30 minutes, start peeling off the mask slowly, starting from the bottom. Be gentle, especially around your hairline. The mask will not only exfoliate your skin, but will also remove any facial hair and blackheads. Final tips. After removing the mask, moisturize your face immediately. It's essential to keep your skin hydrated and soft. You can repeat this mask 3 times a week for the best results. If you love this routine, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. And hey, make sure to check out my vlog channel as well, Habiba Chaudhry Vlogs. That's all for today. I hope you love this mask as much as I do. See you in the next video.